Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to sum only numbers in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. So we have such a column with data. The column contains both numbers and text as well as errors. We need to sum up only the numbers and ignore all other data. To do this, we use the isNumber function in the neighboring cell. This function checks if there is a number in the cell and returns the value true if there is a number and false if there is no number. When all the numbers are found, let's sum them up. The SUMIF function is perfect for this. We're typing this function. The first argument is the column to which the summation criterion will be applied, namely E. The second argument is the summation criterion we type through, and the third argument is the range D with numbers. We press enter and all the numbers are summed up except for errors and text. Finally, there is another way to sum up such cells without using an additional column. To solve such problems, we use the AGGREGATE function. We type the function, then select the number 9 as the first argument from the list, since we need to sum the cells. In the second argument, choose what the function will ignore. In this case, we need to ignore errors, which means we choose the number 6. And the third argument is the summation range we selected. We press enter and get exactly the same value as in the first case. The advantage of this formula is that we can sum numbers not only in one column, but also in a wider range, without checking each cell whether it has numbers or not. It's all I wanted to tell you. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.